to 1,000 tales, a witness to significant events in the country where lessons guide its people up to this day.
A story of love, hope, and progress.
It is the first capital of the province of Pangasinan, built around 1840s. A doorway to the past, preserving treasures that shape the identity of Pangasinan.
A symbol of rich history and cultural heritage of the province.
Na nagkikwento ng kasaysayan at kultura ng Pangasinan.
Kami ang inyong capital sister,
Shira,
Zel.
let's go back to where it all began.
Dito lang yan sa Ganda Mo, Pangasinan.
We have very rich history and which every Filipino should also learn more about because this is part of our history as a nation.